Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about natural health remedies, today's video is a must-watch. We're exploring two powerful ingredients that have been cherished for centuries, black pepper and turmeric. Not only do they enhance the flavor of your dishes, but they also provide a wealth of health benefits. Stay tuned to discover why these two spices are a dynamic duo for your health. Turmeric. Let's begin with turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice. For thousands of years, turmeric has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine, especially in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. Its bright yellow-orange hue comes from curcumin, the active compound responsible for turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Antioxidant-rich. 3. Supports joint health. 4. Boosts immunity. Curcumin is known for its ability to fight inflammation, which is crucial because chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. But here's the catch. Curcumin on its own isn't easily absorbed by the body. Black pepper. Now, let's talk about black pepper, the perfect companion for turmeric. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that can enhance the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000. Incredible, right? But piperine doesn't just make curcumin more effective. It also offers its own array of health benefits. 1. Enhances nutrient absorption. 2. Aids in digestion. 3. Supports brain health. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Piperine in black pepper helps improve the absorption of various nutrients, supports digestion, and has anti-inflammatory properties of its own. So when you combine black pepper with turmeric, you're not just adding flavor, you're creating a powerful synergy for better health. So, what exactly happens when you combine these two super spices? The health benefits are pretty incredible. Together, turmeric and black pepper can help with Number 1. Turmeric and black pepper can also be beneficial for patients with breast, bowel, or stomach cancer. This powerful combination helps prevent the multiplication and spread of cancer cells. Number 2. Weight gain is a common issue in today's world, largely due to the abundance of unhealthy junk foods and processed carbohydrates. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which helps your body shed fat quickly. Number 3. When combined, these ingredients create a powerful synergy that amplifies their health benefits for the body. They work wonders, especially when it comes to helping you lose weight. Number 4. Many people in Eastern countries regularly include these ingredients in their diet, combined with their healthy lifestyle. This helps them look younger for longer, as they experience less oxidative stress in their bodies. Number 5. Black pepper is also great for reducing bloating and gas, thanks to its carminative properties. When combined with turmeric, it helps break down fat cells too. Number 6. Black pepper is especially effective at reducing mucus and phlegm in the throat. When combined with turmeric, it creates a powerful healing mixture that can quickly get rid of sinus infections. Number 7. This combo is especially beneficial for those with arthritis or chronic pain. Number 8. In fact, many health issues stem from inflammation. By incorporating herbs and spices like these into your diet, you can start healing your body from within in no time. Number 9. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been scientifically shown to be more effective than many medical drugs in combating diseases and infections. Number 10. Drinking this daily can be incredibly beneficial for those dealing with depression. It's been found to be more effective than Prozac, and the best part is, it's completely natural. It works by boosting the serotonin and dopamine neurotransmitters in your brain. Number 11. If you often suffer from headaches, you'll find that this drink can significantly reduce the pain, working similarly to aspirin. Number 12. Supporting digestion. Black pepper stimulates the stomach to increase hydrochloric acid production, which aids in digestion, while turmeric supports liver function. Number 13. The combination of black pepper and turmeric also helps detoxify the liver and flush out waste from your digestive system. This can be especially helpful when you're trying to quit smoking, drinking, or other addictive substances. Number 14. Some people with sensitive stomachs might find that this mixture causes diarrhea. If that happens, Try reducing the dose to half a teaspoon of turmeric and gradually increase it over time. Number 15. This mixture is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, even stronger than aspirin and ibuprofen. It helps lower the risk of stomach ulcers, arthritis, and high cholesterol. Number 16. The high potassium content in black pepper is fantastic for reducing insulin resistance, which can help prevent diabetes. Number 17. Black pepper contains a potent alkaloid called piperine, which gives it its distinctive pungent taste. Piperine is also responsible for enhancing the healing properties of turmeric. Number 18. Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and may help with conditions like Alzheimer's, while piperine enhances neurotransmission, which can improve cognitive function. Number 19. This mixture also soothes the mind and central nervous system, helping you think more clearly and improve your memory. Number 20. Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia are linked to oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Turmeric and black pepper can help reduce these issues and prevent the onset of these diseases. Number 21. Both spices are rich in antioxidants that protect your body from free radicals and help bolster your immune system. Number 22. Turmeric contains a beneficial substance called lipopolysaccharide, which boosts your immune system against fungal, bacterial, and viral agents. This makes it excellent for preventing colds during the winter and all year round. Number 23. It also helps your body naturally stabilize blood pressure, protecting you from heart disease. Number 24. Turmeric is packed with essential nutrients like potassium, calcium, iron, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and magnesium. These vitamins and minerals help improve the health of millions of cells in your body. Now let's know how to use them together. Number 1. Now that we know the benefits, let's talk about how you can easily incorporate these two spices into your daily routine. One of the simplest ways is by adding them to your cooking. Thick soups, curries. You can also make a powerful anti-inflammatory drink known as golden milk. Just mix turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, some honey, and warm almond milk. It's delicious and incredibly nourishing. Number 2. You can easily add black pepper and turmeric to your diet by incorporating them into healthy recipes like curries, stir-fries, or even as a marinade for meat. If you're looking for a quick and effective weight loss method, try drinking turmeric water on an empty stomach. Here's how you can make it. You'll need 500 ml of spring water and half teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Instruction. Simply mix these ingredients in a pan, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. That's it. Enjoy this simple drink to kickstart your metabolism and reap the health benefits of these powerful spices. Black pepper and turmeric are a match made in heaven when it comes to health benefits. Whether you're looking to reduce inflammation, support digestion, or boost your brain health, these two spices have got you covered. So, why not start adding a little black pepper to your turmeric today? Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips. And of course, share this video with someone who could use a little spice in their life. See you next time.